Class 3 English Grammar. Okay, let's start now. So previous day we have finished till this much. This was your homework. So today we'll do this one. This one will see. We have written the plural form. So today we'll write the first write date 18:5. Now you write the singular form of this singular form. So flies will become fly. Men will become man. Mice will become mouse. So you write the singular form of these words. This one you wrote the plural form of these words. Now you write the singular form of these words. Dolls, doll. Oxen, ox. Lambs, lamb. Babies, baby. Thieves, thief. Matches, match. This one will be your homework and this one you will do in copy. This one. Clear? Only this one. Number 2. Next one. Fill in the blanks with the plural form of the given words. Now you have to write the plural form of the given words in the bracket. Brush your tooth will become teeth. All of you take a pencil and write brush your teeth daily. I have a book of story will become stories. Clear? My ox will become oxen are very strong. This mango will become plural. Mangoes are very sweet. To family. Family will become families. Live in this house. Cats and mouse will become mice. Cats and mice are not friends. Leaf will become the leaves of this tree are green. Now please let's turn the page. Okay. Now see. So this one. Okay. Write the 6 plural words for each group. Now see. You will write this one. You will also do any 6 words that ends with S, any 6 words that end with ES, VES and IES. Pens, toys, balls, books, pencils, anything you write with S. And any 6 words that ends with ES, bushes, classes, benches, okay, VS, thieves, loaves, IS, cities, babies, like the 6 words. This one also you will do. This one you will do in book by yourself. Okay. Now next, change the singular into plural. Okay. This singular form you have to write into plural. Now see. Change the singular into plural. Now see. A dog is an animal. So it is written here. What? Dog will become plural. Dogs. Is will become are animals. Clear? Now see. A husband is a man. So husbands is will become are men. You cannot write A. A means one. Okay, clear. So husbands are men. Next, a pencil is like a pen. So pencils are like pen. So a pencil means what? A pencil is like a pen. So what will become? Pencils are like. So pencils are like. A will not become. So pencils will become. Is will become are like pens. Okay. A garden has a tree. So gardens has will become have. Has is singular. Have is plural. Gardens have trees. A doll is a toy. So dolls are toys. A watch is a small clock. Watches are small clocks. A city is a big town. Cities are big towns. Clear? This one, if you want, you can write it. Take a pencil and write it. You can pause the video and you can write it down, the answers. Okay? We cannot write a means singular, so we are removing all a's. Is singular, so in place of is, we are writing are is plural. See, has is singular, have is plural. All these words we are adding s to make plural, and these words also we are adding s to make plurals. Clear? We cannot add a is singular. Clear? So you can write it with a pencil. Okay? Now, let's go to the next. Let's start a new topic now. Masculine and feminine. Okay? Masculine and feminine. Masculine means he, feminine means she. Clear? Cock is a male. Male means a boy bird. Hen is a female. Female means a girl bird. Okay? Cock, male bird. Hen, female bird. Ox is a male animal. Cow is a female animal. Man is a male person. Woman is a female person. Cow, ox and man are male, we call them masculine. Hen, cow and woman are female, we call them feminine. Clear? He words we call masculine, she words we call feminine. So these are all he words, these are all she words. Now let's read this one. You have to learn the table. Now you have to learn this table. Now it's very important. Now see. Sir, madam. These are all masculine means all boy word, he word. And feminine means all she words. Clear? Sir, madam. Fox, vixen. Son, daughter. Boy, girl. Dog, bitch. God, goddesses. Lion, lionesses. Man, woman. Cock, hen. Ox, bull will become cow. If it is ox, it will become cow. If it is bull, it will become cow. Hero, heroines. King, queen. Tiger, tigress. Uncle, aunt. Horse, mare. Father, mother. Brother, sister. Husband, wife. Nephew, niece. Gentleman, lady. Clear? You have to learn this table. Okay? Turn the page. Now this one. Write M for masculine word and F for feminine word. If it is a boy word, then write M. If it is a girl word, you write F. Sir is masculine, so M. Fox is masculine, boy, so M. Hen is feminine, girl, so F. Bull is masculine. Take a pencil and write. Bull is boy, so masculine. Cow, girl, so F. Aunt, girl, so F. Tiger, boy, M. Sister, girl, F. Niece, girl, F. Horse is a boy, so M. Husband, boy, M. Daughter, girl, so F. Clear? Okay? Now, this one you understood? Do till this much. Okay? Till this much. Now see. Clear now? So what will be your homework? Your homework will be this one. You will do this one in copy. You will write all these things in book. Okay? Now, next page. You will do this one in book. This one will be homework. This one also you write. Take a pencil and write in the book. Okay? And you learn this table. You have to learn the table. This you cannot do. And you take a pencil and write. For today, this much. Okay? Take your pencil and write these words. Clear? And from here we'll do next day. Don't do now. From here we'll next. Till this much. Clear? Okay? For today, this much. Thank you.